Hello, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find a signature in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of an Office 365, and I'm also using the desktop app, this application, as you can see. So, to find your signature, what you want to do is to, in the mail section, if you have opened the mail section, you want to open the mail section right here. Then go to the file. Then go to the options, which is right here. And then in the mail section, not in the general, but in the mail. So click on the mail. Here you can find in the section compose messages, create or modify signatures for messages. And then just click on the signatures. And here you can find your signatures. As you can see, I have only one signature made, so maybe let's create a new one. And a new signature is going to be named new signature for me. Oh, sorry, new signature. Then OK. And here I can create my own signature. So new signature with the caps lock. And maybe HardReset.Info, maybe dot. And let's put this in maybe Algerian. And this I would like to maybe I would like to select the red color of it, OK, and then just click OK, and this is where you can find your new signature and create a new signature. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.